Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. So in today's video, I will show you how to fix YouTube videos not playing. The first thing that you should check is your internet. So you should check that you are connected to Wi-Fi or to your mobile network. And also you should go to settings, and after that go to cellular, and after that scroll down for the apps until you find YouTube. Click on it, and as you can see here, you should check that allow YouTube to use data is set to WLAN and cellular data. If those settings are good, you should go to the App Store and check if there is some updates for YouTube, because sometimes this type of error happen when your app is not up to date. As you can see, for example, for me, I need to do an update for YouTube. And if the app is updated and you are still seeing this problem, you have to delete the app. And to delete the app, you have to long press on it. And after that, click on remove app and click on delete app and install this app again. Because on iPhones, when you delete the app, your iPhone will, like in automatic way, delete also the cache related to the app. And after that, you can install it fresh again, and normally it will work in a good way. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next